In this video, you will learn how to use SkyReels AI. Sign up and get an API access. Register on the SkyReels platform and obtain your API key to start using the service. Install the SkyReels v2 model. Download and install the required SkyReels model in your preferred environment, such as ComfyUI. Create a text prompt or upload an image. Create a text prompt or upload an image that you want to animate or turn into a video. Configure video settings. Adjust settings like resolution, video length, camera motion and guidance to scale that suits your vision. Run the model. Start the video generation process. Let the model process your input into video frames. Review and export. Preview the generated video. Make any edits needed and export it into your desired format. This could be MP4 or GIF. Now you know how to use SkyReels AI. SkyReels AI beginner's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.